Good morning, my blossoms. Welcome back to my channel. If your mornings ever feel like chaos, alarms blaring, messy outfits, or rushing out the door, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my full school morning routine, step by step, to help you feel calm, confident, and ready to shine all day. Let's get started. Step 1. Wake up. The first step is waking up early enough so you're not rushing. If you're someone who hits snooze too many times, put your alarm across the room so you have to get out of bed to turn it off. Waking up on time sets the whole vibe for your morning. Step 2. Hydrate. Right after waking up, drink water. Staying hydrated first thing in the morning wakes up your body, helps your brain focus, and even makes your skin glow. If plain water feels boring, add lemon or cucumber for a refreshing boost. Step 3. Stretch before jumping into the day. Take 2 to 3 minutes to stretch your body. It relaxes your muscles, gets your blood flowing, and makes you feel more awake. Even simple stretches like reaching for the sky or touching your toes can make a big difference. Step 4. Shower. Next, it's time to shower. A quick shower in the morning refreshes you, washes away sleepiness, and leaves you feeling energized. It doesn't need to be long. Even a short rinse makes you feel fresh and ready. Step 5. Brush teeth. After the shower, it's time for dental care. Brushing your teeth not only keeps your mouth clean and fresh, but also boosts confidence. No one wants morning breath at school. Add a quick mouth rinse if you like for extra freshness. Step 6. Skincare. Next is a quick skincare routine. Wash your face if you haven't already, moisturize, and don't forget sunscreen if you'll be outside. Taking care of your skin in the morning makes you feel clean, confident, and glowing. Step 7. Outfit. Now it's time to put on your school uniform. Make sure it's neat, clean, and ironed so you look fresh and confident for the day. A tidy uniform always makes a great impression. Step 8. Hair and makeup. For hair, keep it simple and school-friendly. A ponytail, braid, or bun always looks neat and easy to manage. If your school allows makeup, go for a light, natural look. A little concealer, mascara, or lip balm is more than enough. You can add a touch of blush or tinted moisturizer for a soft glow. The goal is fresh and simple, perfect for school. Step 9. Breakfast. Breakfast is your morning fuel. Don't skip it. Quick ideas: eggs with toast, yogurt with fruit, or oatmeal topped with nuts and berries. And if you're in a rush, make a smoothie. Just blend your favorite fruit's mango with milk or yogurt. It's tasty, refreshing, and keeps you energized for school. Step 10. Backpack. Check before leaving, check your backpack. Make sure you've packed homework, notebooks, pens, and anything else you need. A quick check saves you from those "oops, I forgot it at home" moments. Step 11. Affirmations. Now, stand in front of the mirror and say something positive to yourself. Try. I'm confident. I'm ready. Today's going to be amazing. This little boost in the morning can completely change your mindset for the day. Step 12. Final check and leave. Lastly, do a final check. Water bottle, keys, lunch, phone. Then head out the door feeling calm, confident, and ready to shine like the main character of your own story. And that's my full morning routine, blossoms. From waking up and hydrating to affirmations before leaving, these steps help me stay organized, fresh, and confident every day. Try adding them to your mornings and see how much smoother your day feels. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend who always rushes in the morning.